Good morning, everyone. Sorry, just 1 second. Online team, can you hear me? Online team, can you hear me, guys? Good. Welcome once again, because these are the students who enrolled the session. Understand? So till yesterday, we gave options to listen the class, and now you are the real students who come back and attend the sessions really. And let's continue this batch with these students, and every day we discuss each and every concepts and learnings, and I'll share all the class notes a regular basis. Clear, guys? And today I will share the book and a lot of things we're going to discuss from today onwards. Everybody's clear or not? Offline team, for you also, today last day we given options to listen the class. The one who not enrolled. From Monday they won't allow you to do this. Clear, offline team? Okay. Now, so list we complete, not completed. What are completed in list part, guys? Anybody recall? List denotes with square bracket. Append is allowed or not allowed? Does add is allowed? Duplicates are allowed? Yes, Ankita, unmute you. Any question?
Sir, the volume is very low. Actually,
I'm sorry, dear, I cannot hear you.
hello.
Can you talk louder?
Sir,
Check
the
your
volume
mic.
is very low.
A problem with?
So, problem with the sound. Actually, I'm not being able to hear your voice properly.
You check with your internet. I'm sorry. Guys, everybody's clear or not? Your volume is good. Did you see, Ankita? I hope online, guys, does my voice is clear? Yes or no? Just respond. Sonal said clear. Ravi said clear. Ankita, my voice is fine because I test my voice. You
Okay,
see
sir.
how much louder? Now I want you to check, okay?
Okay, sir. I'll check. Okay.
You restart or come again. Thank you. Any questions? Please, you can chat as well, guys. All right. Add is allowed or not allowed? Add. Allowed. Not allowed. Remove. Okay. Duplicates allowed. Indexing. How many type of indexing? Forward and backward. Forward begins with. Backward begins with. What is the formula? N equal to n minus 1. Not from the first index. For the second index. A, all those things. Great. Cool. List is mutable. Mutable means once we assign the element, we can change as per the user's request, isn't it? Slicing is allowed or not allowed? Shall we continue now? Yes. And we complete this. And after that, I will tell you the process every day, how I update the class notes, how you download the notes. And okay, I will tell you later. Let me go back to the work now. Let's open your class notes. And today I will delete the folder, scan folder. Understand, guys? One moment. Okay. Slicing. We started slicing yesterday and we stopped yesterday. Right, guys? To slice 4 means print the element from second index to fourth index. To slice means what, guys? Print the element from second index till end, till last. Sorry, okay. Now slice 2 means print the element till second index. And we stopped here yesterday, isn't it? Let's continue now. Today's date is 3rd. Today is the last day of the week, and I'm going to give you a lot of assignment for this week. And let me check offline team. At least you show me once your laptops if you want. If you not, then no need to require. Online team, I hope you can post all those things in the classroom. I will tell you. So now go to the 3rd. Let's continue the list now. Minimize, minimize, go back to this. All right. Now let me keep the front little bit goes up. Great. Now tell me what is list of 4 index now? 4th index. Anybody online team? The who's sitting back? Are you guys see the screen? It's clear for you. The last rows. Okay. What is output, guys? 8.0. Are you sure? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall I apply n minus 1 here? No. Why? Slice is not here. Let me check. And we got output as 8.0. Anybody tell me the output for this? What is output? 8.0 and 8.02? True, isn't it? I'm saying, what exactly I'm saying? Print the element from 4th index. Let's check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.0, none, NIT, true. Understand or not? Slicing after number. Slicing after index number. Now go back and list. Anybody tell me what is output for this now? This one. 1002? 1002? Are you sure? Apply n minus. Why don't you apply n minus 1 formula? I told you, right? Index after. Print the element till 4th index. That means 0, 4 means what? 4 minus 1, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4th minus 10th index is printed or not? Understand? Yesterday I was talking about this. N equals to n minus 1. Go to the list now. What is list of 2nd index, guys? 30. I wanted to change to float, int to float. Possible or not possible? Because list is mutable. List is mutable. Let's little bit, I want you to use your brain and let me tell, please answer me. This part, anybody? This one. What? 0, 1, 2. So 7.82, 7.82, none, isn't it? Are you guys NIT 7.82 NIT? No. Let me check this. Why? This is 0 index, 1st index, 2nd index. I'm saying print the element from 2nd index still -1, -2. Now, are we get these values or not? Clear? Okay. Now, next one. Can you answer me this? 1002? Great. 1002 NIT. I hope you understood, right? List of empty slice means entire element. List means all values or all elements. Clear? I hope you know this, guys. So anyway, let me close this and run. What is the list of -1, guys? True. List of -1 is true. But when I say int of true, what is output? Clear or not? And I'm saying int of false. Understand? When I say int of none, int argument must be a string. You got bug, isn't it? Clear? So int of, let's say you can true. This is type conversion. This is, so I told you, right? Internal memory system understand true means 1. False means that's what we done right now. Clear? Great. Now list of minus 2. I hope you know this, guys. I don't want you to. Okay. Now what about this, guys? Anybody tell me the answer? Print the element till minus 1. Print the element till minus 1 index. Yes, team. 1002. Great. Because minus 1 means, can we skip it or not? Here we do not apply n minus 1 because it's a negative index, because it is a backward indexing. So here let's check this. What about this one? Minus 2. 1002, none, isn't it? Okay. Little bit advanced slicing. So how many slices we pass now? Only one. Can we pass 2 slices now? Can we pass 2 slices, guys? Yes. Now here, let's talk about L. List all these values we get. 2 slice minus 1 means what, guys? A reverse order. Print the element A to Z, Z to A. Understand? Z, Y, X, W, all those things. Let's have a look at it. True, NIT, none, 8.0, 10, 7.8, MX, and 1000. Understand? So how do you reverse the list? So you need to pass 2 slices and then minus 1. Guys, are you getting me or not? Everybody's clear? Now let's talk about this one. List of 2 slice minus 2. List of 2 slice minus 2. Online team. I told you minus 1 means what, guys? Reversing order. Minus 2, what is again reverse means the same output? No, it is a step count, guys. What we get? Step count. For example, reverse order, very good, Ramakrishna. Minus 2 index. Let's open this. Slice means print the element or not. When I use 2 slice, revert. True is printed first. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. None is printed. Minus 1, minus 2. 10 is printed. Minus 1, minus 2. MX is printed. Now minus 1. There's no minus 2. So that's where we stop here. Guys, everybody's clear? Team, are you understand or not? Not understand? One moment. Let me do this again. So here, this is a step count, guys. Step count means 1, 2, 3. First 1. What is 2 step now? 3. What is 2 step now? 5. What is 2 step now? 7. Are we counting all the second step of indexing or not, guys? Let me follow this. Now here I can say this. Empty slice means first to end, isn't it? Minus means reverting, means I will get true, NIT, none. Guys, are you understand or not? I mean to say that. Just one moment here. Let's close it. Okay. So this will get reversing. So the first true is printed, right? Minus 2. Count 2 step from true. This is first step. This is second step. Now none is printed. Now what is the again 2 step? Minus means from backward or not, guys? So now backward in the sense minus 1, minus 2. Now 10 is printed. Now minus 1, minus 2. MX is printed. Online team, are you guys clear? Online team, are you guys clear? Okay, good morning, ma'am. So Rajesh, after payment, click the below link and update your payment detail. Understand, guys? Those who are not fill this form, please fill. Thank you. Understand? And I will share. Ma'am, do you want me to send to offline as well? Okay. Anyway, I'll check and keep it in the track. I don't think so. Okay, note. This link is online team. This link is valid for today. Tomorrow, every day, the link will change. And before that, I'll tell you, just let me complete list and I'll give you some of instructions online team. Please follow the instructions. So you no need to miss and you don't need to wait and you don't need to call for anybody to get the links on daily basis. Clear, guys? So just listen to me. I'll explain everything in detail. Thank you, guys. Only for online. Okay, understand. Thank you. Now let's talk about this one. Anybody tell me what is output now? Minus 3. True. Then after true 8.0. Okay. Think, guys. None or 8.0. Okay. Next. Online team, can you respond? True 8. Offline team said true 8.0 MX. Perfect. Getting me, guys? Correct. Okay. Now list. What about this, guys? This is advanced slicing, guys. This is advanced slicing. So what about this, guys? 2 slice minus 1. Reverse order. Entire element with reverse order. Can you tell me this now? Amen. I will apply only one slice. Don't two. Remember, read the question. Blindly don't give answers. Understand? So first look at the questions. See, don't think that this is 2 slice, then that follows. Now I remove 1 slice. What is answer now? 1002? 1002? NIT or none? So did you see? Little bit confused? This is what happened, guys. Okay. Can you respond this now? Offline team, you understand? When I give you this to practice, it would be very clear. It would be very clear. What about this one, guys? Now, print the element from -4 index. Let me tell you. So this is -1. This is -2, -3, -4. What is output? 8.02. Who said? Akash, how you said 1000, buddy? Okay. And let's have a look at it. 8.02 true. Do you know how do we count negative? -4, -3, -2, -1. Are we count like this or not? Or we count -4, -5? No, it not goes this way. Understand, team? -4. So every code, did you see some changes or not? So that I hope you can find out what is the changes we done. Okay. L dot remove 8.0. Are we do this? Remove functions works. And then L dot remove 7. Can we get output? No worries, Akash. Remove 7. Can we get output? Why? Not in the element. Value error. So how many errors so far we understood? Anybody recall? Syntax error. And then name error. What next? Oops. Index error. What next? Type error. What else? These are error we got? Yes or not? When you practice, are you getting this or not? Good. Okay. Now next, go back to, I hope you can do this, guys. I no need to explain like, and let's now list we completed. So final summary is list index out of bound. So that's why we mentioned index error, buddy. Index error. Okay. What's your name? Sushma, we mentioned attribute error. Thank you. Another error is called, I think, attribute or value error. Attribute error. Clear? So understand these errors when you get what error. Understand, team? Are you understanding? Okay. Now, next step. In interview, if anybody calls slicing is allowed, mutable, changeable, index, this is what we completed so far. This is what we completed so far. Let's go ahead and another 2 tuple data structures. I will tell you, Lakshman, I'll give you some of the work, few characters. So you can also assign it, buddy. Okay. So no need to worry. So I'll share you today this books. I just saying you list we completed or not. And let's go ahead to, okay, now, yeah, indentations, those things we already now just Control F list. I completed or not list. Now let's have a look at this. Split function. This is again inbuilt functions, guys. Before I go ahead, and I want you to control F list. Okay. I'll share this notebook today. Before, how do you get this notebook, guys? Did you receive an email from my admin like this online team? No email. You will get, okay, you need to join. The moment when you join, okay, then I will share it. 1 second, guys. Your name would be appear here. Did you see Sushma? You joined, I think. Is that you? So then you say no, right? I hope online team got this email, right? But if you not get it, I'm sharing right away. So I think Rajeshwari ma'am sent you guys, but still, mm, let's copy this and I can, where is the chart? Okay, just now. Now sorry, you want to everybody. Now you click this link, your email, your name is registered here. Now I will post all the documents here. Once I post, I will tell you how to download the notebook from here and how to start working on a daily basis. Understand team, offline team, any questions, feel free to ask. First thing, online team, any questions, feel free to ask. And any questions offline, online, post your questions here. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to tell you all those things, but let's complete tuple today. And quickly we complete and rest of things we start, guys. Let's come back to other part. Tuple. Let's go ahead to the tuple now. List the data structures we done, guys, and how many part we completed. But before that, if I share this book to you, have a look at it. It's very nice and no need to require anybody help. List one, empty list or not? 1030 integer. Float, we pass into data structures, guys, into values. We pass float values. We pass string values. We pass nested list, means list inside the list. Check this, how you get output. Now I want you to test it. You need anybody's help, guys? You need anybody's help? I'm asking you. Very simple. Look at the code, be calm, and talk to your brain and system. Ask yourself why I got this bug, how to fix this. When you drive your vehicle, let's say your vehicle stops in middle. So what you do? Nobody is there. You try to solve your vehicle, isn't it? Or not? First you try. Same way, when you got this error, try yourself. Spend 2 hours. The same search criteria would help you in organizations, guys. Trust me. I wanted to say, just trust me. This is what an organization's IT developer, they do. They also get the bug. Then immediately not calling to neighbors or colleague. They fix their self. That's why the company is paying you. Everybody's clear what I'm saying? Okay. Now list 6. Now I hope your questions you clear, guys. String. Lakshman, are you there? So if you practice this one now, forward indexing, and look, you mention your name, backward indexing, 0 0. We covered this or not? Now nested indexing, what is this? So in 0 we have Asif, all right, and when we say 0 0, what we get output? Oh, you try to change to 0 1. Let's see what exactly value you'll get. Now you change to 1 comma 0. Is this helpful or not helpful, guys? Is this helpful or not? I don't want you to be a bookish knowledge, little bit add yourself and try to understand, try to work all those things. Very helpful. Lakshman, I hope you get it now. Okay, you got your answer. So that's what I'm saying. List slicing. List slicing. My list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand, team? When you learn Python, They don't focus on this much. But in data science, we focus on this much because this is what we require to build machine learning. Understand, guys? List slicings, all those things. My list 0 to 3, my list 2 to 5. We covered this, we covered this. I gave you some concepts in the class. Now this is home task. This is home task. My class task you will complete first, then you come back to the task. This is the process for next 4 months. Understand, team? Everybody is getting me or not? Now, I will share these files in the class notes, not in Google Drive. The one who not getting me, everybody, if I tell you to practice, see, I do see many students. If I tell you to install the software today, you install the software after 1 month. Do you think it makes sense, guys? Does not make sense. And you never ever understanding this class. No matter what, how many batches you change, no matter what, how many Python you learned anywhere, you never be success because you need to install, you need to type it, you need to practice, you need to get the bug, you need to debug it. Okay, let's go to the next one, tuple. Tuples denotes with open bracket. So let's go back. Tuples denotes with open brackets. Understand, guys? What is the second point? List and tuple. Let's follow this. List, I assign the element as 10, 20, 30, 40. What is this, guys? 10, 20, 30, 40. And tuple, 10, 20, 30, 40. But what is the difference between both? Square brackets and open brackets. When you say type of L, it could be list. When I say type of T, what is output, guys? Tuple. Did you see the differences or not? Square brackets always give us results list, guys. Open bracket always give the results as tuple. Now, when we go to the list, 10, 20, 30, 40 with square brackets. When we go back to the tuple, we go output as with open brackets. I hope you're getting me. And then empty slice means what, guys? All elements. Let's work with tuple now. List, can we assign multiple data types, guys? I think we didn't mention one thing, guys. 9 point, multiple data type. Are we declared there or not? List, are we declared or not? Multiple data type. Yes. Int, float, string, we declared. It's allowed. Now let's focus on the tuple. In the tuple, if you see, this is integer. This is what, guys? Which type of data type is this? String. This is bool, float, and int once again. So here in tuple, multiple data types are allowed or not allowed? In tuple or tuple, multiple data types are allowed or not allowed? Allowed, right, guys? So let's copy this and we can paste here. Are you getting me? Now, duplicates are allowed or not? Duplicates are allowed or not? Definitely. So here we go. Duplicates are copy and duplicates are allowed. Understand, team? Multiple data types are allowed. Square brackets. Now let's heading to another one. T1. I assigned the identifier T1 is equals to 10 mx true float and int. T1 of 0 index. What is output, guys? T1 of 0. What is output? 10. Oh. Wait. Now 10, right? See, when I call individual indexing, you need to pass square bracket. Remember this, guys. Okay, team? I hope. So this is what you need to practice. Type of T1 is what? Type of T1 is what, guys? Tuple. I wanted to change 10 to 20. List is possible or not? List, are we changed 10 to 1000? Yes, but in tuple, let's check this. Not possible. In tuple, what happened, guys? We cannot change any element once you assigned. So that's why tuple is immutable. Immutable or not changeable. Once you declare, for example, you go to bank, you give Aadhaar card, PAN card, guys. When you give Aadhaar card, PAN card, the developers are there or not? ICICI Bank have some software team, and HDFC Bank has software team. Wells Fargo, Citibank, a lot of big banks are there, right? DBS and Singapore, a lot of banks we have. So when they define your PAN card, Aadhaar card, they mentioned with open brackets so that nobody can change it. So that nobody can change it. Guys, are you understand or not? Team, everybody is clear or not clear? So tuple is a immutable. So in interview, somebody asks you what's the difference between list and tuple. You can say list is mutable, tuple is immutable. What is the difference between both? In front of him, take a pen and paper, explain. If he wants to more explanations from you. Understand him? So interview is nothing but the interviewer you should convinced with your answers, whatever he asks questions. Then only the round is clear. So let's say an interview scheduled around for 30 minutes. How many calls, guys? 30 minutes interview call. If the call goes for 45 minutes, 50 minutes, that means he likes the way you answer. Then only the time got extended. Understand some few of the indications. If your interview got shortened, means 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that means HR will get back to you. The HR will never get back to you. And you never keep calling them, what is my status? What is my status? Few things I just want you to understand, guys. Clear, team? Okay. Now here, let's go back to the another one. T1 is T1 of what is first index, guys? 20. Can we assign MX to 20? Because tuple is immutable. What is output now? T1 of 0 to 3. T1 of 0 to 3. 10 to 10 to true, right, guys? T1 means entire element. Understand? 0 to 4. I hope you can easily find out, right, guys? T1 is 10 to 10 and T, all those things, guys. And tuple is immutable. List is mutable. Remember, Aadhaar card and PAN card is a constant. Nobody will change it. So if you assign your PAN card and Aadhaar card is a tuple, open bracket and close bracket, nobody can edit it. Isn't it, guys? Nobody can edit. Can anybody remove it? Let's check this, guys. T of 0 is 10. Now, what I would say, thank you, ma'am. So I just want this. Let's copy. Just one moment. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. Okay, go to the next step. In list, append is works or not? In list, append function is working or not, guys? L dot append 50. Team, you understand what I'm saying? Now list, the 50 is added in my previous list, guys, right? List of 0, 10 to 30, is it mutable? Is it mutable or not? List is mutable. L dot append 60. I hope you know this, guys. Now let me heading towards tuple. T of 0 is equals to 10, and I don't want to change 10 to 20. I wanted to change 10 to 20. Is this possible? In tuple is immutable. Now T1 and T. List append function is works or not? Now let's check in tuple. Does append is working? What is meant by append, guys? Add the element at last end of the value. So T dot append 50. What is this error, guys? What is this error? Error or not? So that's why when you assign the Aadhaar card, nobody has to be entered or else it will be changed. It will change or not. So that's why it is immutable. T dot add 50. Append function not works. Does add functions works, guys? Let's check. No. What error? What is the type of error, guys? Attribute error. What is the type of error? Attribute error T. Does remove functions works? Shall we check? T dot remove. Can we check, guys? T dot remove 30. Again error. Definitely not. Definitely not. So when we go back to the T, clear or now let's go back to the pointers. Append is allowed or not allowed? Can we write down append is not allowed? Add function not allowed. What next? Duplicates. Remove offline team. Are you there or not here? Remove are not allowed. Indexing is allowed or not allowed? Indexing online team. Are you add to last? Nobody. You cannot add in tuple, right? Indexing is allowed. Yes, guys. Indexing is allowed. Slicing is allowed, guys. Yes. Clear or not? List and tuple. In interview, if anybody asks, what is the difference between list and tuple? Will you explain or not able to explain? Are you able to explain or unable to explain? You must need to be explained. For an explanations, it doesn't matter you're from electrical background, computer background, BA student, IA student, or a Swiggy delivery boy, doesn't care about it. Understand, guys? It's all depends the way you explanations, the way you understand, the one who listen to your voice. That's important. Getting me, guys, what I'm saying? Okay, so what's the difference between list and tuple? List denotes with square and open. Append is allowed, append is not allowed. Add function is allowed, add function is not allowed. Duplicates are allowed in both. Remove allowed and not allowed. Indexing is allowed in both data structures. One is mutable. Which is mutable? List is mutable, tuple is immutable. Slicing is allowed or not allowed, guys? Not allowed. Multiple data types. Can we declare? We can declare multiple data types. Yes. List and tuple is done. Okay, but let me test. T equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. When I say T is equals to 2T into 3, what is output I'll get, guys? Online team. Yes, please. What is output? Or error? 30. Sarath said 30. 10 become 30. 20 become? Is it? Are you edit this, guys? No, then very good, Jadav. So 3 times we'll duplicate this. T mean to 3. 3 times it's got duplicate. 10 to 41 time. 10 to 42 time. 10 to 43 time. Nobody change your Aadhaar card, PAN card. But yes, it is duplicate the same thing. Guys, are you getting me what I'm saying? So if it duplicate, but still the data is not lost, the data is not added. But keep repeating the element, whatever we have in the as in value. Team getting me? So I hope. So this is T into 3. And now this one. What about this, guys? T1. T1 into 2. What is output? T2 equals to T1 into 2. See what I'm trying to say. Here I assigned and these are identifier, right, guys? You know very well how to assign an identifier. If you doesn't know, I want highly recommend you to please listen the previous classes. Everybody's clear? So T2, this is T1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, guys, isn't it? But when I say T2 is equals to T1 into 2, T2 is equals to T1 into 2. Clear or not? So T1, T2 also, let's have a look at it. 2 times these values are duplicate. Am I correct or not? Two times these values are duplicate. And again, can we assign list inside the tuple? What exactly next step, guys? The next step is, can we assign list inside the tuple? Answer is yes, because T3. Now look at the T3. Clear or not, guys? Clear or not? Now let's work with string. Let's work with string. Listen to me. Colors. So a rainbow, how many colors, guys? 7 colors. From these colors given by God, isn't it? T3, which is T3. Very simple. 2 and 6 is list, guys. And I pass list inside the tuple. And when I check, we got the same output. Sushma, understand? So once you practice, this thing is clear. Yes, clear or not, Sushma? Okay. Now, RGB, red, green, blue. You not clear? Are you listening me or not? List, ma'am. This is list. I pass list inside the tuple. Guys, offline team, are you understand or not? Now, what is there to not understand? Come on. Let's say I will pass 2 and 6 now. Can we get output now? Same output or not? I am saying, okay, now I'll give another example for you. Now, this is what I'm doing. Now, can we get output? Yes, this is what means multiplications. So let's say 3 minus 5 into 3. So what is this? Multiplications inside this bracket. Understand? So that means this is what I'm trying to say now. Now I hope you guys are clear. Got it. Okay, come on, ma'am. All right. So colors, red, green, blue. 3 colors we have, guys. Try this, Ramakrishna. See, guys, if I answer all of your question, you can try. Why don't you try? Now, Ramakrishna, can we pass tuple inside? You have your system. You know, why don't you check and test it? Unexpected EOL. Why we got this syntax error? I need to close another bracket. Now we got output or not? Sure. Understand, Ramakrishna? Now, if you answer me your questions, what happened? The course will be not complete, guys, because that's not these questions, whatever you ask, that is not your interview questions. Everybody is clear or not? Okay. Now, red, green, blue colors. I created an identifier and I assigned the value as colors, guys. How many colors I assigned? How many parameters, guys? 3. Did I assign tuple or list? No, I just mentioned like that. Now let's call red, green, blue, isn't it? And now I'm saying I assigned another identifier. Reverse is equals to colors of 2 slice minus 1. Anybody tell me what is output? So in computer vision language, clear? In OpenCV, we called as RGB. But now we called as, very good Vishnu, we get it as blue, green, red. Can we check this or not? I told you 2 slash minus 1 means print the element in reverse order. So always remember this part. 2 slash minus 1 means print element in reverse order, isn't it, guys? Great. Now have a look at it. Okay. Now can you tell me reverse 1 is equals to colors of 2 slice minus 2. What? Blue and so blue and red. Let's check. Great. Perfect. Team, are you understand offline, guys, or you feel boring? Okay. Now here, because how we got this one, let me tell you guys. This is minus 2 means what is first the concept is RGB, red, green, blue, these 3 colors, right? And reversing minus 2 means first what exactly happened? Blue is printed, minus 1, minus 2, now red is printed. I hope clear now, isn't it, guys? What about this, guys? What any output? What is output? Any response for this? Print the element till minus 1 index. Slice minus 1. Print the element till minus 1. So what is output, guys? Red and green, very simple. Then you ask yourself, why we learn this? We learn this to build a machine learning model because did you see We apply this slicing or not? We apply this slicing means in organizations, I will tell you this type of data we have. Understand, team? In organizations, this type of data we have. Understand, guys? Okay, I have to open this. For example, don't scare about these codes, guys. Understand? I will tell you later. We need to parse the indexing or not. We parse the index columns, guys, right? So how to parse these columns, we must need to understand the slicing. That is why this is the fundamental we are learning now to build machine learning projects. Understand, him? So that's the reason I'm explaining. Okay, it's not that we're explaining anything anyway. Now let's have a look at this. We got output as red. We got output as red. Everybody's clear or not? Okay. Now colors. Reverse or not? Types of colors is what, guys? What is the type of colors? Tuple. Look at the bracket. Open bracket or not? Open bracket means what is output, guys? Tuple. So by default, this isn't tuple. Understand, team, or not? Do you think it is very fast? Online team, do you think very speedily I'm explaining? Still you not understand, I'm helpless, guys. Okay, anyway, this is reverse order. This is next answer. Akash is saying next answer. Straightforward, blue, green, red. Now type of colors is what, guys? What is the type of colors? So here the colors is red, green, blue. The type of color is tuple. We already done this. Okay, so tuple is completed, guys. Tuple we already done. Okay, guys. Let's go back to the another data structures called range. What is another one, guys? Range. I will share this so that you can practice, and I won't let me complete range, and then I will tell you how to install, how to download, how to enroll to the classroom, how you get this notebook. Listen to me properly. I'll mention all the steps, then you can follow me. Online team, any questions? You download AnyDesk. This is called AnyDesk access, guys. Once you download AnyDesk, I will take your control and I'll fix your bug. Clear? Shall we go ahead to the range, guys? What is meant by range? This is new type. You never have this function. This is the type, data type or data structures you know have Java anywhere. Only introduced in Python range. Okay. We do not have characters, guys. In Java, C, C++, we have character. Understand? But in Python, character is equals to string. Let me write it down. In Python, there is no concepts called character. One is character or not? O-N-E, O-N-E, T-W-O. This is character, guys. But here we call that string in Python. And we covered all the data type, string data type on existing class. Let me talk about range. Let's talk about range. Listen to this, guys. Very simple. R equals to range of 10. R is equals to range of 10. And how do you pass? Every times we'll pass like this. For example, let's go plus, and I'll go up here and I can say range of 5. Now shift enter. Range of 0 to 5. Understand, team? How many argument I can pass? How many argument I can pass? 1, 2, 1, buddy. Very, come on, man. This is 1. I'll pass 1 argument here, isn't it? Because 5 is 1 argument of parameters. Now let's go back to the next one. Range of 10, 20. How many argument I pass? 2. What is output then? 10, range of 10, 20. Guys, are you understand or not? Team, everybody's clear or not? Now let's have it 10 to 20. 10, 20 means value between range of 10 to 20. Understand or not? Clear, guys? When I say list of, now let's say range 0 or maybe 5. Can we check this? I'll tell you. Oops. List, sorry. Getting me or not? So we got list range of 5 means what happened? Print the element from 0 to 4. Yeah, buddy, Akash, just man, I will cover, man. Why you worry for all those things? Step, I'll come back right now. Just step by step, we'll cover. Understand, Akash? So how many parameters we can pass? 1 parameters. Now let me declare. So let me declare this one. List range of 5. This is, we got 0 to 4 or not? Let's copy this now. And I will mention 5 to 20. What is output I'll get now, guys? What is output I'll get now? Print the value between 5 to 20 or 19. Great. 5 to 19. Clear or not? Now let's copy this and I'm going to, how many argument I can pass? We pass 1 argument here. And we pass how many argument? Let's pass 3 argument now. 5, 20, and then 5. How many argument I pass? 3. What is output I'll get now? Print the element 5 to 20, step count 5, 10, 15. 5. After 5 step, 10. After 5 step, understand him or not? So did I assign any identifier here? Did I assign any identifier, guys? No, I'm not assigned any identifier. So shall we assign any identifier? So let's say, no, let's talk about, guys, understand or not? Can we pass 4 argument in the list? Let's copy. Let me add this. And here, or maybe I can say as 2. What is type error? In range, you cannot pass more than 3 argument. In range, you cannot pass more than 3 argument. And always the third argument would be an, what is this, guys? The third argument is step count. The third argument is what, guys? Step count. Now, let's follow this. Here, look at this, guys. R equals to range of 10. Now, let's say what I declared. Now, let's create an R is equal to range of 10. Now, what I can say, list of R. Now, let's check this. We got output or not? Very simple. Look at this. List of R. We can write like this. Also, we can use for loop. Also, we can use for loop. So how to use for loop? Look at this. So here I can add to this for I in R. Then, so listen to me. So what exactly I'm saying? For I means what? Iteration. When I mentioned for loop here, listen to me, guys. When I mention for system PVM, Python virtual machines, automatic understand iterations. The next letter should be iterations. Means what is meant by iterations? First 0, next 1, next 2, next 3. Right, guys? This is called iterations. For iterations in R. R means what? Range 0 to 10. All the time for close with colon. Understand? When I enter system automatic understand print I. System automatic understand. What exactly, guys? Indentations. So by default, how many indentations? 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand, guys? How many indentations, guys? Four indentations. In Java, when you do this, one, two, three, four. But Python, you no need to give indentations. Your system automatic understand the indentations, guys. We got this output or not? 0 to 9. Team, everybody's clear or not? How many spaces, guys? Now, will you write this? Now, for loop, are you understand or not, guys? Now, sir, I don't like I like M. Now, for M, print M. Can we get output or error? Output or error? Output. Are you guys clear or not up to this? Are you guys clear? So range, max, we pass two arguments. I will share this. Will you practice this or not, guys? Set dictionaries. I'll complete on Monday. No need to worry. This will go slow. First you practice. I know everything, guys. I need to pass this knowledge to your brain. And then you prepare a resume and attend interview. That's what the motto of the class. The class is anyway, I'll complete 1 hour, I'll go. It's not like that way, guys, isn't it? You have to practice. You need to gain a confidence. Then that confidence would push you go back to that and next class. Clear, team? I will share all the code to you. Listen to me. So what else today we complete? List, tuple, range we are completed. Perfect. Excellent. In range, how many argument we pass? How many argument? More than 3. Can we pass? No. Okay. Max 3. Excellent. Okay. Next step. How to attend FSDS 10M batch. Everybody enrolled student, you must need to get classroom access. Understand? First point, online team, you will get access from Rajeshwari ma'am. Second, offline team, you will get access from Lakshman. He's staying outside. You guys can see and ask the enrolled student. Clear? This is the first process. Now the second one. Once you get access to the classroom, what is the next step? Is it Google? Yes. Okay. How I'll share the class notes. This is the one, right? And let me close this. This is FSDS day 10. I will review tomorrow. Let me, one moment, close this. Go back to today's class, guys. Naresh, morning batch, 10 a.m. Class notes. Do you want, guys? Right click, a rare file, extract. Today's course summarizations or not? Means agenda every day, what I'm teaching you, the Excel sheet some showed you, right? Let's add to this one. And then today, what is the days today? Second and third. This is books, guys. Python book, one book and second book. First task is Python. This, did you see the book? Python.pdf. This is the 2 book I shared. First, you practice this book step by step. Do not practice everything. First, listen to the class. Whatever topic, let's say I complete additions. Go to the book, search additions, Control F. Practice that first. Then you understand. Clear, guys? So this is one book and another book I'm sharing, which is this one, guys. So what about this one? I will tell you later. I will tell you later. All right. And list tuple range. Just now I covered everything, isn't it? All these things, guys. Open this, start working code by code. Do not copy and paste it. Right click, and I'm going to make this file to .rar. Listen to me again. Now I will go ahead and few things, because whatever the previous students done the mistakes, I don't want you to do the same mistakes, guys. If you listen, it would be great. If you not listen, you need to ask again same questions to me. Understand, team? So here, desktop, morning batch, 10 a.m., 1, 2, open. It's uploaded or not? The documents are uploaded, guys. Now attach to this, browse. So class notes I shared and code summarizations I shared, web second and third, books I shared, everything I shared till today. Team, please work on the basic Python code, and any question, please feel free to post the error, but please try to research and debug it. Best regards. Now post. I posted or not? Wait, listen to me. My part is done. Being a student, what you do? Go to the next step. So two things we clear. Now, once you get access to the classroom, first step, open your Gmail account. Open your Gmail account. Whenever I will post any doc, you will receive in mailbox, guys. Lot of students, they don't have check properly. Now you forgot to check today and you keep on complaining me, sir, you didn't send yesterday's notes. But I already sent. It's you are the one who didn't check properly. So that's why I would recommend everyone to create a label like this. Did you say create a label? Did you see this, guys? Naresh IT technology. So when you create a level data science, all the folders, you go to inbox and you will receive messages from full stack data science 10 a.m. Clear? Once you create a level, all the levels you move it to back so that you can. And how to download the class notes. Once you doc receive email box, now 3.1. Once you click it to the email, you will receive like this, guys. Understand, team? How to open this folder then? That is also again important part. How to open the folder? I want everybody to click this. Understand, team? What I'm saying? Click this. Once you click, did you see the 3 folders? Now click the folder, right side top corner, you have 3 dots, and then right click, open a new window. Understand, team? Open in new window. Maybe you think, sir, for the small things you write all those things, because I know, guys, some of the students, they're not able to do this also. Are you guys understand? That is what I'm saying, all those things. Open in new window. Did you see the download folder is pop up or not? Now click this download. Then you can download the file. Sir, why you send all those things? You can send directly. No, guys, everything has to be some password encrypted. So I wanted to share the file with little bit credentials, not high credential. Understand, guys? Okay. So download. So did you see we found the download or not here? Online team, are you understand? Offline team? Now fourth step. Go to Google and download WinRAR software. What software, guys? WinRAR software. What is the link software? Just go back. It's a free software, guys. Google WinRAR for Windows. Jaleshwar Reddy, just now I'm saying, guys, still you complaining me not visible for me. Man, just a little bit check. Don't see in your phone. I want you to open this on your laptop and then do this. Just now I said you click this. Once you click, you get your 3 tabs. Again, guys, the moment when I, okay, click this folder, you will get 3 dots. Understand or not? If I tell you how to play PUBG games, you research a lot and play, but you still download, you're not able to download and install and start work. Okay. And then click the 3 dots and open a new window, and then download options is visible. Now the next step is download WinRAR software. Did you see this is WinRAR software? You can download the software from, this is absolutely free versions, guys. Don't complaining, sir, it is asking for paid versions. Online team, don't leave the sessions, guys. I'm saying for your benefit. Understand team? The one who leave, he never work. This Saturday, Sunday is waste for them, isn't it? Saturday, Sunday is waste for them. Now I'm going to say this. I post where to download the software. Now, fifth one. Software is installation done or not? Download and install the software. And then install the WinRAR software. Now, sixth step, go to download option. Which options, guys? Go to download. We download the documents or not, team? Punit, if you find download, will you practice in phone then? Okay. But anyway, guys, go to downloads. Did you see we have this folder or not? NIT 10M class notes.rab. Right click, extract to NIT notes. Did we see the folder or not now? This is the work. This is the first 2 times you will get complicated, but next time onwards it become easy. Understand, team? Now the next step, go to download and extract the folder and then start working on it. This is the process. So here I'll tell you, so I can mention all those things in the classroom. Team, please follow the steps to download the class notes on a regular basis. Clear or not, guys? Post. Clear? Document posted. I'll explain how to install the softwares, download the start work offline, team. Your work is at any cost, you has to be access to it. And how do you access? I think everybody has a number, Lakshman number. I think you take it down, drop a message. I want to access, give me the access link, Google Class 10 a.m. Google Class access link. I already forwarded to him. You can take it down. Everybody's clear, guys? Thank you so much. That's it for today. Next session would be on Monday. Okay. And these 2 days, please practice and update me and get back to me if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Online team, if you don't have any questions, you can leave for the day. Offline team, any questions, stay, and rest of them will talk. Saturday, Sunday, no class. Okay. Yeah. Causer, unmute you.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. I cannot hear you. Can you louder?
Okay, sir.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Is it audible, sir?
Yeah, it's audible now.
Okay. Sir, when I'm pressing this 3 dots, it's
Mhm.
not showing me. It's showing me copy a link.
No, listen to this. When I click this 3 dots, open in new window.
Just a second.
If you're not getting little bit research, okay, you will get, it's not a big deal. In the meantime, yeah.
Like it's showing me the option report a
Mahanti,
gift
yes,
or
buddy. Yes.
copy link.
No, see, I don't know what's your system. I want you to little bit research. Yes. Little
Okay,
bit
sir.
check, where did you get this?
Okay, sir.
Ravi, unmute you. Kayla, unmute you. And then, so does the data type help to build models later on? Man,
Hello.
to build the model, see, we are learning ABCD and we required ABCD many more use cases, right? When you know the data type, then only we understand data structures. When you understood data structures, then only we need to build metrics. Okay, Mahati? Yeah. I
Hello.
don't see hand raise options here in Jubilee. Can you please help? But
Uh,
how come? Yeah, Ravi, unmute you. Kayla, unmute you.
Hello. Sir, am I
yes, yes,
audible?
sir.
Go ahead, please.
Sir, I am practicing what you are telling in the class, but whenever I am in Jupyter notebook,
Hmm.
but whenever I am exiting and I will getting new notebook, I am not continuing from that page.
Every time you're executing, getting new notebook
Yes, sir.
means what is that means? You can type it, you not get like this.
No, sir.
No, file, new notebook, Python 3, open it.
Okay.
So go to home. I hope minimize. Did you
Yes, sir.
see new
Can I
Python
ask?
3? Understand, Ravi? Once you click, you will get empty notebook. You can try this. Who's Ravi? I hope you clear.
Sir,
Kayla, please.
sir, I am getting only empty notebook, sir. I am not getting continue from that
Yes,
where
this
I will
is the
left.
code. You get empty only. You need to enter.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Kayla, unmute you.
Yes, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Actually, list we denote with the square bracket, right, sir?
List.
Yeah.
We assign, right? Square bracket.
Yeah, but here in the range, you are giving a parenthesis
Wait.
bracket like
First you
double bracket.
practice. Today you have 2 days, right?
Yes.
Practice little bit search. Then I will tell you on Monday. Clear?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. One more doubt, sir. Sir, that rewards slicing, I got some confused, sir. Can you repeat once that?
Man, Mr. Rathod, do you understand? Are you a college kid?
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying, don't be hurry. We no need to drive our vehicle 80 kilometer per speed. You met with accident. Just calm down. What I'm saying, I'll give some notebook today. Understand? Take it
Okay.
easy. Calm down. Done one by one. Whatever question ask me, ask to yourself first. I will explain. I'll give you access. We'll talk. Same things I ask, I'll unmute you on Monday. Now you tell me, sir, I understood. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That's the way you're different from other students. Let me tell you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mohanty, unmute you. And Vinayak, unmute you.
Hello, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, once you part that how to extract that one explain, sir?
Which
Because I not get it.
how to extract?
Extract after installation.
Which one? Installation?
No, after installation, the extract part is there.
I told you, right?
Sir,
You
told you,
want
but I am not getting, it, sir.
your net is not fine. Internet
Yes,
is.
sir. Sir, I'm downloaded. I'm also this. We're not supposed to download it.
Hmm.
Also, the file download.
Then
And
you
then
extract it. Very simple, buddy.
there is no
You
option in.
have file, go to download.
Yes,
You
sir.
this is the folder, and you open it. This is the class notes. Now, do you remember?
Okay.
You can. I
Sir.
want you to find another folder, and then
Okay,
you
sir.
can
This
extract.
is open in Notepad, so that's why I'm confusing. Okay, so
Definitely,
this
text is always open with
open.
text. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Open it, sir.
Thank you, guys. See you on Monday. All right. And Swati Singh, any questions offline team? Are you guys are clear? I'll tell you, lot of students coming back and going. Okay. I want you to tell guys the 4 months. I want you to be dedicatedly study. I'm not giving you advice here for your better futures. See, I'm here. I will explain. 1.5 are gone. I'll go. Understand, team? So I have little bit courtesy about you. Means you spend, you not your money, your family money. They're spending some amount for you that my kid can go up and earn for me, right? That's why they're spending money for you. I want you to little bit spend time, what I'm saying, and practice. Do not come with style. Do you think you cannot carry your laptop? and then practice and show me what you done, any bug, so that I got to know. Understand, team? Now your wish. Only one time I'll tell. Offline team. Clear, guys? You are not a school kid anymore, or not a small kids. Let me tell you. So go and ask to Lakshman, take the notes, practice, get back to me by Monday. Thank you so much. Happy weekend, and see you on Monday. Great week. Bye. Anybody joined for the first time? This is second day for you. Install the software. No, you told me. Yeah. Swati Singh, unmute you. Swati Singh,
गुड मॉर्निंग सर
morning.
सर ये क्लास का जो आपने गूगल क्लासरूम का जो लिंक सेंड किया है उसको
हम्म।
क्लिक करने के बाद क्लास नॉट फाउंड आ रहा है शायद क्लास में ग्रुप में मैं
हाँ,
ऐड नहीं
so
हूँ
one moment.
ज्वाइन कर लो।
One second.
Yes,
Wait, I want you to try it once again. I think you will get. Can you connect to
sir.
Rajeshwari, ma'am? Maybe you got the
Yes, sir.
same
Yes,
link
sir.
or different link. Okay.
Okay, sir. I tried so many times, but
Wait. I will do one thing. Close everything
okay, sir.
and where is the link? Just 1 second. I need to check my WP WhatsApp. Let's copy and Swati, where are you? I sent the link. Did you check, Swati? Just click on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You tell me.
Sir, already same thing
Same
is
link.
class not found.
Can you clear the history, browsing history, or
Okay, sir.
Internet Explorer, and then same link only? Yeah. And then let me test it and update me if you have. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Swati.
Sir,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
All right.
I will talk to Rajeshwari ma'am then.
Yeah. So do one thing, or else restart and some other clear the browsing history catches, and then you try.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mohanty, unmute you. Okay. See you on Monday. Thank you, guys. Bye.